Hello. Why Power BI and uses? First and foremost, Power BI is a Microsoft business intelligence tool that brings your data to life. It empowers you to transform raw data into insightful visualizations. You can connect it with multiple data sources, whether it's Excel, databases, or online platforms, and turning that data into dynamic reports and dashboards. That's the magic of Power BI. Businesses today generate massive amounts of data, and Power BI helps you make sense of it all. It's not just about creating pretty charts, it's about making informed decisions. It's not just for the tech wizards, anyone can create personalized dashboards with a unique, live view. Power BI is a game changer in the world of analytics. It's not just a tool, it's a key player in transforming data into actionable insights, driving business growth, and making your decision-making process smarter and more efficient.